In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel spreadsheets into Monday.com. This process is straightforward and will help you streamline your workflow by efficiently transferring data from your spreadsheets directly into Monday.com boards. So let's dive in and learn how to do it step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. Simply click on the login button you see on the homepage. For those who find logging in tedious, there is a handy option to sign in using your Google account. Just click on the Google Sign In option and pick your account from the list to proceed. This quick access feature simplifies the login process, saving you time and hassle. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, navigate to the board where you want to import the spreadsheet. This is typically the workspace where you manage your tasks, projects, or any other kind of information. With your board open, look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll notice three dots. Click on them, and you'll see an option labeled More Actions. Go ahead and click on More Actions. This is where Monday.com hides some additional features you might not use every day, but are extremely useful when you need them. Under More Actions, look for the Import Items option. Selecting this opens up a new interface where you can manage your imports. From here, you have the capability to drag and drop your spreadsheet file directly from your computer into Monday.com. Make sure that the file you're trying to import is in a supported format, typically .xls or for Excel spreadsheets. This drag and drop feature is a seamless way to add data without the extra steps of locating files through menus. After you've dragged your file into the import area, the next crucial step is to map the columns. Mapping columns means aligning the data in your spreadsheet with the corresponding columns in your Monday.com board. This ensures that all the information gets transferred correctly and lands in the right spots. Take your time matching each column accurately, as errors here can lead to data mismatches. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, proceed with the import. And there you have it. Your Excel spreadsheet data will now be available on your selected Monday.com board, ready for you to use and manipulate within the platform's interface. This simple but effective process can save you hours of manual data entry, allowing you to focus on more critical tasks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.